Welcome to Vlogmas day 9. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a little bit under the weather. I definitely think I have the flu, or I'm getting something similar. So my goal today is, it's after work, it's like 5:30. My goal is to get all of my Christmas bins out of my storage unit. I know that doesn't sound like a difficult task, but I own about 12 giant totes of Christmas decorations. Most of my ornaments are extra large. Right now, my mom is outside cleaning her windows on her house because in the next couple of days, they plan to put the outdoor decorations out, so stay tuned for that. But my main goal is to get my Christmas decor out, separate what we want to use, and then put back what we don't, and then get the tree up and get the lights on. So this is gonna be a 2-part video, only because I don't have the strength in me to decorate the entire tree tonight, edit the video and get it out to you. I did promise Christmas decor, and this is what we're gonna do. We're so excited to get this out to you. But wait till you see how many Christmas lights we put on our tree. 2 strands on each roll, so I will let you know the light count. Comment below or guess how many Christmas lights you think are gonna be on my tree this year. All right, let's get this stuff out of the storage unit. It has been waiting for a month for me to start decorating, and it's been calling me. It's time. So let's get this tree up. All right, and that's it for Vlogmas day 9. Like I said, I could only get the lights on. It's like, what, 11 o'clock? It's pretty late. So we got the lights on. Tomorrow we'll decorate an angel. We'll get the remote. So we'll see you in the next one.